Hey guys, David here, eXp Realty, hanging out for a couple hours at 319 4th Avenue North in Texas City. This home is 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, two-car garage, and in-ground pool. Nice finishes, hardwood floors, gorgeous soft closing cabinets in the kitchen, quartz countertops, as you can tell, massive island, lots of room all around. Let's take you for a quick tour here. Even the laundry room is large. Look at that. Lots of shelving, plenty of space. It's a walk-in laundry room here in the hallway. That is so cool. Nice tile work in the bathroom. There you go. 2 bedrooms down here. This door actually leads to the kind of a back covered patio space connecting to the garage, which is nice. So when it's raining, you don't have to worry about getting wet when you're parked in the garage. Check that out. There you go. Fully fenced in backyard too. We'll check that out in a moment. Here's the other bedroom. There we are. This right here is actually a really nice use of space. So under the stairwell, they utilized as much as they could for storage. We come down the hall here to the master bedroom, master suite. Nice and bright, lots of natural light. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I love it. Ceiling fan helps to move the air around nicely too. You know, your walk-in closet, lots of shelving. Pocket doors here with some nice glass. Check that out. Now we're styling. Massive jetted tub, brand new shower, vanities, double vanity. Personal access to the backyard, pool area. And we'll just head upstairs real quick before going outside. Two bedrooms up here. This one's pretty cool. So this bedroom actually has its own patio space up top. Nice deck, nice and open. Be great, especially in the morning when it's cooler. The sun's not beating down on it. And the other side has a really cool window seat space. Stack a few cushions there, pull up a good book. Overall, just great use of space. Everything's fresh and clean, ready to go. Totally move-in ready. Let's go check out that backyard. We'll exit from the hallway. Here we go. Here we are. So you got a ramp going up to your bedroom. Handicap accessible, I guess. Some green space. A little bit of a yard, easy to manage. Some nice landscaping around the pool, some lighting. And it's got the gradual descent into the pool. Obviously, it's not running right now. We're nearing the end of October. One of the things I love about this place is the amount of off-street parking that you have. So Here we have kind of a back paved area, but you could probably open that up there or back here to the alleyway if you wanted to. And on the other side, you'll see in a moment, this is a massive driveway. Lots of space for parking. Everything's just fresh and clean. Look at that, just nice paint job. They did a really good job on this one. Here we go. We'll step outside here for a moment from the front. There we go. Nice mature trees. Covered front patio. And check out all of this parking. You can fit a whole row of cars in this driveway and still have room to get all around it. You have an entrance right there next to where I'm parked. Right, leads directly into the kitchen, so if you wanted to offload some groceries, it's right there. And we have the garage. And direct access to the alley behind. So just a really neat place. Currently offered for $320. I'll be here from 3 until 5 today. So if you're hanging out at the Touch a Truck event in Texas City, so swing on by after you're done. See you guys.